Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Colby, and in today's video I'm going to be making meringues, and I've got about 30 minutes to do this because at 10 o'clock I'm leaving the house. Also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video, because I've got new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. Without further ado, I'm going to get out the stand mixer. Okay, Philo, you're gonna have to go. I'm going to start by separating my 4 egg whites. Go away. It's hard to big cat. First egg. I don't want to peel apart.
Are you gonna make a decent bottle of official machine site?
No. It's really expensive.
Oh, no, I didn't say website. I said YouTube.
It's site. You meant YouTube. Probably not, but I just have a playlist on YouTube called food. That's where I do everything. So.
Yeah, that's separate.
Why is eggs not cracked? I feel like there's already chicken in it. Welcome to the chicken in the bag.
What are you making?
Rice. And I have 2 minutes because Annie's coming to pick me up at 10 o'clock. Because originally it was 11 o'clock, but we moved to 10 because it's going to rain on 11. And if I put these meringues in the oven, meringues in the oven, they need to sit in the oven for an hour. So if I come home after an hour, then should be good. And then I'll need to turn off the oven and put these doors shut.
Wait,
Alright, so the eggs are inside the bowl, and now I gotta add cream of tartar. It's light and ivory. Oh, I forgot to plug it in. Gotta keep going. Okay, I have 10 minutes left, and as you can see, I've changed my shirt because I wanted to get ready to go. And so I couldn't get exactly what I wanted, but still. Alright, so I'm going to put in the vanilla. Alright, and I'm going to take this bowl because I'm doing 2 different colors. So this bowl I'm going to do the green in, and this bowl I'm going to do the pink. I want mostly pink because a lot of them are just going to be pink dollops, but I'm also going to do a few green frogs holding little pink hearts, and I think that'll be really cute, and I think they'll come out well. So I'm putting a good amount of my batter into this bowl. I'm going to add my pink, and now I'm going to add my green to here. Try to get all of this onto this bowl. So I think these will turn out well. It's time to pipe them onto the sheets because I don't have time to waste. I have 5 minutes until I have to leave the house. So for the frogs, I'm not actually adding a piping tip because it's more dishes to wash, and plus it's green frog. It doesn't need any special shape. Okay, that sounds like frogs on the dragon. Okay, I finished all the little frog shapes, and I finished everything that's in that piping bag and in this bowl. So now I need to manage to get all of this done in 0.3 seconds. So I'm going to take it off, try to get this all in the bowl. And luckily, Uh-oh, she's here. But luckily, I can put this onto the piping bag and pipe it out really quickly. Hopefully. I don't know why I started this so late. Oh man. And she's walking down. Uh-oh. Annie, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is what I was doing. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, as well as turning on those post notifications so you never miss a video, because once again, I've got new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. So next is the results. Okay, here they are. My lighting's not very good, but look at all of them. There's cute little green frogs, and there are pink dollops, which are really hard to see, but there you go. And the frogs are really cute. They came out nicely. All the colors came out nicely, and I really like it. Oh, my hair's falling out. Not out of my ponytail. My hair's falling out of my ponytail. All right. I gotta give them a try now. So I'm just gonna pop off one of my mini ones because I made lots of small ones so I could try them out. So here's a little mini one. It's on a non-stick pan, so it came off really easily. Here it is. It's nicely swirled. Looks super cute. I don't know if it'll help, but I'll put my hand behind it so you can look at it. Super cute. And this is one of the smaller ones. There's lots of bigger ones. And there's cute little frog ones, so I'm gonna give it a try. I'm going to try another one, and I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. But before I do that, they look white on camera, but they are a very nice light pink. And I think they're really cute. So they've got a cute little point on them. If you listen, it kind of sounds like styrofoam. Yeah, it sounds like styrofoam. So this is the bottom. And the bottom's flat. It's really light, really airy, and it tasted really good. So I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. For the most part, it is hollow. I'm going to end this video saying that if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, as well as subscribing to my channel, turning on those post notifications, because I have new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. and I've got some really exciting videos coming up, like a building time lapse and lots more baking videos if that's what you're into. And if you're interested, go ahead and check out the food playlist, which is right here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.
2, 3.